Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a plus size Rosegal Halloween and fall try on haul. If you're not familiar with the brand Rosegal, they carry regular sizes and plus sizes all the way up to a size 5X, which is in their size range the equivalent of a size 24. I have hauled from Rosegal before. I really do like their clothing. They carry seasonal clothing as well as vintage retro dresses. They have like a huge selection of clothing, which I love. And I love their seasonal clothing. They bring tons of Halloween clothing, tons of Christmas dresses. I'm super excited about their Christmas dresses, but this one is going to be for Halloween and fall. So I got a couple of pieces. They did reach out and ask me if I would like to try them out for you. And I was so excited because you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, you know I love fall and all things Halloween and spooky season and the holiday season. So this is me. This is like my vibe. So I'm so excited to share these with you. And I also did grab some accessories. I got these cute earrings. Like, I'm obsessed with these little ghost face earrings. Like, if you're familiar with the movie Scream, like, this is one of my favorite movies, so I had to have them. But look how cute these are, and these were like super affordable. They were like under $3. Like, how cute are these? And you could just add these to just a cute little outfit and have a little Halloween look. And then I also got this headpiece for one particular dress that I wanted to wear it with. This is so cute. Like, this is, you can like put together a cute little costume with this. And this is just like for your head. It's so pretty. And yeah, their accessories are very affordable. They have a really large selection of clothing and accessories. So yes, I'll go ahead and link everything in the description box below. You can also use my discount code TNORA20 for 20% off your order at rosegal.com. And I'm so excited to share these with you. You guys know Halloween is one of my favorite times of year. And I thrive during this season. This is when I love making videos because these are my favorite types of videos to make. So yeah, and then you can also see how I style these pieces on my Instagram. I have a new Instagram, and the new Instagram is ThatNoraChick on YT. It's the same name as my old Instagram, but this one I just wanted to start fresh with one. So yeah, you can follow me on there so you can see like the photos of the outfits and get an idea of what they look like. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything in the description box for you and keep this short and sweet. Let's go ahead and get started. And thank you so much to Rosegal for sending these pieces out. And yeah, let me know in the comments below which of these pieces was your favorite, which outfit did you like the most. If you're planning on dressing up this Halloween, what your plans are, I would love to hear from you. What other brands you would like to see me haul from for this season. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Nora. I do all things plus size fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be updated when I upload new videos. I typically upload once to twice a week. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Let's go ahead and get started, and I hope you love this haul as much as I do. Okay, so first up is this beautiful buffalo plaid dress in red. This is my favorite dress. I just love it so much. It's super cute. I would say size up. This one is in a 4X, but the bust area is a little bit smaller than my liking, so I would say size up just because it doesn't line up properly there. But this is an adorable dress for fall. This is my favorite type of pattern to wear for fall, and it fit very comfortably. I would say very soft, and it's just the perfect little fall dress. This is just adorable. I love it so much. This next one is perfect for like a witchy look. If you're going to do like a little DIY witchy Halloween costume, this dress would be perfect for that. I would say for this one, size down. It does run rather large. It does go past my knees. So, you know, I would say size down if you like a little bit of a shorter look, but it's very soft and very stretchy. This next one is also very stretchy. I would say for this one, size down. The bust runs a little on the larger side, and it does fit comfortably. It's super cute. I love the little pattern with the little ghosts and the little witch hats. It's super, super pretty for Halloween. This next one is perfect for Halloween. It has little bats on the embroidery. and underneath it does have a lining. This one I did get in a 5X. I believe I would say size down for this one as well. These dresses run a little bit on the longer side, so if you like a shorter look, I would say size down, but it's a super cute dress. This next one is my favorite pattern and a shorter sleeve. Super, super cute. I freaking love this dress, and I wore it with those little earrings from Scream. Adorable dress, perfect for fall. This next one is, last but not least, a beautiful dress. I wish it wasn't so wrinkled, but other than that, this dress is gorgeous for Halloween, and I paired it with that beautiful headpiece. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.
Welcome to my party. Are you Illuminati? Or are you misunderstood? I can keep a secret. Hands all up my t-shirt. You're not from this neighborhood where the sky is red like a nosebleed. Got a foreign whip, Godspeed.